Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a dancing animation effect on the text in a video on CapCut Mobile. So here, what you need to do is add the text first to your video. Okay, I'm going to write the text, and then after that, click on the animation, click on loop. Then scroll down until you find the dance animations in here. Okay, this one, click on that. So this will be the result, and you can adjust on how fast or slow you want the dance effect to be. Click on a check icon and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.